I came here in 1999 for grad school at Ohio University. But before that, though, I was here for another year. I think that was the academic year, 97, 98. I was an exchange student. I wanted to be a filmmaker. I went to film school. I have an MFA from School of Film at Ohio University. So, and an MFA is a terminal degree in the field of filmmaking, so it allows you to teach at a college. I really like Citizen Kane, and then there is a film called Wages of Fear. It's an old film. I really like it. Clouseau. Previous question, when I talked about my favorite movie, we were recording with the shotgun, but the camera was probably 6 feet away. Now the shotgun is about 3 feet from me.